Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and we're winding up for Father's Day weekend 2023 here on the upper Texas coast, and is no different here at Stingaree Restaurant. Right now I'm standing in front of the restaurant at the boat dock, but I tell you what, the view from behind it on the deck with a big lounger standing there waiting on you to sit down in with a frosty margarita, maybe an ice cold long neck, and enjoy some great food here at Stingaree. Stingaree Restaurant's a travel destination on the upper Texas coast. A lot of people make a day trip down here, a weekend getaway, or a week-long vacation. I can guarantee you they're going to eat here at Stingaree Restaurant, a family-owned restaurant that's been in the family for generations. You know, they're also known for their great live music, and this weekend, Father's Day weekend's no different. In fact, it's a family-friendly down under where the kids can run and play and the adults can listen to some great live music. Like the Damn Quails this Friday night be playing, and then on Saturday night you have Broken Spoke. And so we're looking at a great lineup for an awesome weekend where you cater to Dad and make sure he can relax on the dock of the bay. Stingaree Restaurant's located at 1295 North Stingaree Road. It's a restaurant that I frequent once or twice a week, and I love coming down here on the weekends to listen to the live music. Some of these bands, you'd pay $20, $30, $40 to hear them play at another venue. Right here at Stingaree, the music's always free and the music's always family friendly. So if you're looking for something to do for Father's Day weekend, come on over to Stingaree. They open Wednesday at 11 o'clock today, and then they'll be open through Sunday. Come try their Roscoe's. Maybe their redfish Louie. In fact, I was able to sample this a couple weeks ago, and I tell you what, it's mouth-watering great. Wash it down with a frosty margarita, and then enjoy for dessert. Always save room for dessert because they're known for their bread pudding with that bourbon sauce. So anyway, Stingaree Restaurant's located at 1295 North Stingaree Road here in Crystal Beach, where the seafood is fresh, the margaritas are frosty, the steaks are hand cut, and the sunsets are free every week here. So head on down if you're looking for something to do for Father's Day weekend, whether you come by boat, golf cart, heck, I've even seen a water plane land on the intercoastal before, but get on down to Stingaree Restaurant. It can't be beat. Brad and the crew here always has a smiling face, and they're always eager to make sure you have the perfect seafood dinner. But if you like steaks, you got to try their ribeye or their filet. I've never tasted a steak or cut a filet before where I can use a fork just about. So the flavor is phenomenal, and it's always cooked to perfection just the way you ordered it. So anyway, come on down Father's Day weekend, this weekend, to Stingaree Restaurant and Marina on the upper Texas coast here in Crystal Beach, Texas. Friday night, the Damn Quails are playing. Saturday night, Broken Spoke's playing for Father's Day weekend 2023. I can't think of a better place to enjoy time with family and friends overlooking East Galveston Bay as the sun sets than Stingaree Restaurant and Marina. We're going to head on out. Remember, you can find out more on Stingaree Restaurant and Marina on their website at www.stingaree.com. You can also follow them on Facebook and Instagram for any special weekend specials or events that they have here. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope to see you this weekend at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina in Crystal Beach, Texas at 1295 North Stingaree Road. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and we'll see you on the dock of the bay. God bless, and bye-bye.
Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located overlooking an East Galveston Bay at 1295 North Stingaree Road in Crystal Beach, Texas. Known for their incredible views over East Galveston Bay, almost as much as their fabulous fresh seafood, including seafood platters fried or grilled, seared or grilled tuna, hand-cut steaks, and let's not forget their famous bread pudding. Stingaree Restaurant isn't just any restaurant, it's a travel destination with frosty margaritas, fresh seafood, and free sunsets over East Galveston Bay. From fresh seafood to American favorites like Texas-sized chicken fried steak, grilled chicken, or hand-cut grilled ribeye or filet. Remember, from spring through fall, free live music can be heard every weekend at Down Under on the dock of the bay. For more information on Stingaree Restaurant, Marina, RV Park on the Water, or event live music calendar, visit www.stingaree.com.